In this video, I'll show you how to add dollar bills to your Cash App. So first you need to do is open up your Cash App and then log in your account. From here, simply click on this balance at the bottom, so it will show your current balance. So simply click on that, and now from here, simply select open up this option deposit paper money. Now once you select that option, it will show you all the locations that you can add your dollar bills to your Cash application. So from here you can simply click on this show barcode option, and then it will show your barcode that you can give to your retailers at any of these stores, and then you can add your dollar bills to your Cash application. Or you can also click any of this location, and then it will bring up this option, and it will also give your directions, and you can simply click on this show barcode to get your store specific barcode. So that is how you can add your dollar bills to your Cash App. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.